Some signs of life from Balunan. Yun lang, oh. Just trying to go up and down, trying to be elusive. And that cut has opened up again.
Tinatarget pa rin ni Pedro Taduran. That cut.
Again, walang personalan.
Pero kita mo, no, parang anesthesia tumatakbo sa veins nito eh. No?
Dugo niya, no?
Oo.
Almost taking a knee that time.
You know, you can't say na walang power yung mga suntok ni Pedro Taduran eh, no? He has proven that time and again na meron siyang punching power.
Eh, sanay din naman sa decision itong si Taduran. So doesn't see the need to put away his opponent. He wants his opponent to quit. Pero mukhang hindi mangyayari yun. Final seconds of the 11th. Round number ng oras, buhos niya ng tiyaga.
This is the 12th and final round.
First time natin nakita ngumiti si Pedro Taduran because he knows it's almost over. 12th round.
Alam mo kung merong cut man of the year, no?
Eh, Tito Villamor na yan.
Ito, may tulong din actually si Michael Domingo. Nakita natin doon. No? But we saw si Edito work on it early on.
Saka may instructions na rin yata dito kay Taduran. Relax ka na, bata. Bigyan mo lang ng job. Okay na to. Hey, well, sabi ni Taduran, baka mamaya mapatumba pa natin.
Mahirap. Tsaka baka masungkit pa tayo.
Oo, baka mamaya kasi usually pag nag-relax ka ganyan, doon ka nadidisgrasya.
Yes, oo.
Pero naalala ko going back to that Margarito fight, Manny Pacquiao was not throwing anything towards the eyes of Antonio Margarito anymore. At tinitignan niya lang yung referee. Don't you wanna stop this? Stop this now.
Siya na naawa.
Oo. Sa baba daw. Oh! Well, at the end of it all, we know Taduran is going to win if this goes to the scorecards, but he will have new respect for his opponent dito, Dennis.
Of course. Yeah. Well, tayo nga, bilib tayo dito sa pinapakita ni Balunan. Ano?
Talagang walang atrasan na gera, diyan mo siya ipapasok.
Yes. Sabi nga natin, yung resiliency, determination, Christian Balunan. If only he can work on yung kanyang skill, ano? Especially dun sa the kind and the type of punches that he can unleash. Kasi meron din naman, no? May variety yung mga suntok niya. Wala lang masyadong diin.
Yeah, 12 wins, 7 knockouts, undefeated heading into this game, or heading into this match. And Christian Balunan seems poised to be heading to his first ever defeat in his professional career, young professional career. 12 bouts, 13th bout is this one. Final seconds.
Wala na sa kanya. Yung mga tatama ni Pedro Taduran.
And that will do it. Christian Balunan survives 12 rounds.
I agree.
No quit in Christian Balunan and gains the respect of not only Pedro Taduran but for the entire boxing world.
2-1-11. Judges attorney Akil Tamano and Judge Oliver Garcia both had it 118 to 110 for your winner by unanimous decision, and still the IBF minimum weight world champion, the pride of Bicolana.